This is the 27th LeetCode challenge, and it is called Remove Element. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums. The order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Return k. Okay, so if you have nums 3, 2, 2, 3, and the value is 3, you return the number 2, as once you remove 3, there are only 2 more values, and the nums array, the first 2 will be 2, 2. Then 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 2, value of 2. Remove the 2's here and here, so it's 0, 1, 4, 3. But as I said, the order of the array doesn't matter, but there has to be in the first k amount of indexes those numbers have to be. Okay, that makes sense. Let's get started. Okay, so to make things quicker, I brought over the code from the previous challenge, just as there's going to be some similarities in this. Once again, we'll just do int total equals 0. We can get rid of this. We're going to iterate through each number in nums, and what we'll do is if x does not equal val, we'll do nums total equals x. Then outside of here we'll do total plus plus, turn total. So if we have an array, going through each number in the array, if the current value does not equal val, actually I just realized this needs to be, where does total need to be? Total needs to be back in here, because we want the normal values to override the position of val in the array. So let's just run this to see what the output is. Actually, I'm not sure what the proper output's meant to be, so 2, 5, and I should probably debug it and see what it looks like inside here. So nums 2, 2, yep, so kind of just overrid it, so 2, 2, yep, so those two are correct. Then we go to the next one, 0, 1, 3, 0, 4, yep, so that's 5 in length, and although in here it says 403, it's because it doesn't matter what order it is in. So that should be everything that needs to be done. So if we copy this and paste it into LeetCode, let's run it on the test ones again just to make sure those both came back as accepted. So now let's submit. Yep, and that was accepted. So that is the 27th LeetCode challenge called Remove Element. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.